Okay, the car is has good interior. Couple of little rough spots. The little cover there and the little cover there. But other than that, the interior is in good shape. You look at the back. It has T-tops. I'm going to start the engine now. Let you know what it looks like and what it sounds like. Carbon graphite hood. Like I said, Japanese engine. Electric fans. AC blows cold. And if you want the other hood, it's right there. Horses tried to eat it. So you notice the back. No smoke coming out. Want to let you know the car is in good shape.